got a message for you people on planet Earth. You're gonna get something that you'll never forget. Bringing spicy grooves and some crazy moves, so tasty and delicious, you're gonna lick your fingers. We'll make you fly, we'll make you shout and clap your hands. You'll feel so high, you'll never cry again. So if somebody's trying to sell you something that sounds like groove, and you find it hard within you to get down and break a move, so come and join us, don't you worry, it's gonna be delish. Our spicy, funky, finger-licking effect dish will make you fly, will make you shout and clap your hands. You'll feel so high, you'll never cry again. Alright, who here thought the funk is gone? Who here thought the funk is back? The funk's not gone, the funk is not back. It's feeling all around, just feeling the cracks, y'all, feeling the beat. Hit another one.
Take me to the bridge, y'all.